Hello everyone, I am Vishal Soni. Today we're gonna learn how to upload a program in Arduino via mobile phone. For this, you need a Arduino with cable and a OTG cable or adapter. Connect OTG with USB side of Arduino cable. Connect other side with Arduino. Download Arduino Droid app from your Play Store. Connect OTG with your device and open Arduino IDE. Now click on the option and then sketch and then example, basics and then click on the blink. Now compile the sketch via clicking on the compiling button. Now click on the download button and then it will ask to access your USB device. Click on the OK. Okay, there is some error. I will try again. Now upload is finished. As you can see, my blink program is working in